What is myStocker?
Simple.
myStocker is a new social media app that allows you to connect with distributors and manufacturers in the dental and medical sectors for free.
Cool, right?
How to create an account? Easy. First, download the app. Then when you open the app, you will see a login page. Click Create Account. You will have to choose your job, dealer or manufacturer. Afterwards, you type in your company name, email, and password. The next step will be geographic visibility. It will give you 3 options: Sell Worldwide, Exclude Country, and Select Country. With Sell Worldwide, your product would be visible to any user located worldwide. With Exclude Country, it allows you to make your products visible to dealers and manufacturers worldwide, except for those that are located in excluded areas. With Select Country, it gives you the option to make your products visible only to dealers and manufacturers that are located in specific countries you selected from the list. This choice will be considered only as an account preference. During the product creation and editing stages, this preference can be changed for each individual published product in order to allow you to make individual products visible or invisible in different countries. The following step will be to add your country, city, state from which your company comes from. Make sure that all the check marks are green in order to finish making your account. The last step will be to agree to the terms of service. Once you have checked all the boxes, then you will be registered on the app. Shortly after you have registered, you will get an email to verify your account. If you do not receive the verification mail, try resending it on the account page. If you still haven't received an email, contact us at support@myStocker.com using the email you used during the registration process. How does the app work? It's super easy. By entering the Market section, you can view products posted by other users and decide whether to like them by swiping right or skip them by swiping left. Once you like a product, it will be saved in the Favorites section, allowing you to start a chat with the product owner. Also, in the Favorites section, by clicking on the connection icon, you can see a list of dealers and manufacturers you have connected with. By entering an individual user's feed, you can view all their listed products available in your country and add them to your favorites to start a conversation about the selected product. That sounds like a great way to build your business, right? How do I add a product to the myStocker app? It's a pretty simple process. First, you go to the Home section and click the Add New button. Select up to 12 images of the product. Enter the quantity of products you want to sell and the total stock price. If you prefer not to display the price, you can choose to hide it. Select up to 7 categories your product belongs to, helping our algorithm connect you with interested dealers. Now, choose the geographic visibility. You have 3 options. 1. Exclude country. With this option, you can make your product invisible to dealers and manufacturers who distribute or are located in the selected geographic areas. 2. Select country. With this option, you can select the countries where you want your product to be visible. With this option, your product will be visible only to dealers distributing in the selected areas and to all manufacturers located in those countries. 3. Make your product visible to dealers and manufacturers worldwide by checking the I want to sell worldwide button. Finally, complete the product description and add technical details. By clicking Done, you can view a preview of your product's score. The more detailed your product description and the more images you add, the higher your score will be. A high score improves your product's ranking within the market. By clicking Publish, your product enters the review phase, where we verify that the content meets our policies. Products under review are marked with a gray bar. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email, and the bar will turn green. If your product is rejected, you will receive an email explaining the reasons for rejection, and the bar will turn red. By editing a rejected product, fixing issues we describe in the rejection email, the product will enter again in the review phase, and the bar will turn gray. How to use the chat? It couldn't be easier. By entering the chat section, at the top bar you'll find the favorites and My Products selectors. In the first section, you'll see the list of products you've liked. By clicking on a product, you can start chatting with the user who posted it.
Cool, right?
In the My Products section, you'll find a list of all your products. By clicking on one of your products, you'll see the list of users who have liked it. At this point, you can click on an individual user and start chatting with them immediately and for free. Amazing, isn't it? For any issues, Contact us at support@myStocker.com.